to make your own fan?
What I really liked about DIYing my own fan was picking the colors, and then it was also super fun with the lady working it, because I haven't really done hydro dip before, so it was cool for her to kind of teach me how to do it.
Have you ever made a fan before?
I've never really done anything like this. Back in Iowa, we have something called the Iowa State Fair, and they have like hydro dip, but I've never made it on a fan, and I've never actually been able to do it by myself, so that was really cool.
What would you tell your friends about paint fans?
I don't know how I would recommend it. I think I would show them and then kind of demonstrate how you would do it, and then just tell them how fun it was and how it's just cool to be able to work together with the helpers here and then the other people on the trip to pick the colors and pick the designs, and yeah.
Why did you pick blue and gold?
I picked the blue and golden because blue is my favorite color, and then I thought the gold would look cool with it. And then also next year when I go to college back in Iowa, my school colors are blue, white, and yellow, so it was pretty cool to kind of match it with that.